was missing a bit. Close to the fuel. Inside of a citation. CJ1. Awesome. Okay, so we've got a southwesterly. There's a bit of a cloud front there, but that's going to go. We're heading out over that way anyway, so should be awesome day for a flight. Alright, see you guys after.
X-ray Delta Zulu with flight details.
X-ray Delta Zulu, ground.
City Ground X-ray Delta Zulu at the 81 in receipt of Delta. Request taxi and airways outbound for Balti.
X-ray Delta Zulu, line up on 81 pad, clear Balti bridge, not about 1,500.
Line up at 81, clear Balti bridge, not about 1,500, X-ray Delta Zulu.
Alright, heading over.
Back smash traffic, Echo Sierra Oscar, Cessna 172, taxiing for circuits, runway 27, back a smash.
Alright, good, park brake off. Alright.
Got it?
Yep.
Back smash traffic, Echo Sierra Oscar, Cessna 172, entering runway 27, entering and backtracking runway 27 for circuits, back a smash.
Alright, good. Alright.
What are we, so no data on the ground, right?
Yep.
Be good if we knew what it was.
Yeah, no, it's definitely a westerly, you can feel it, mate, but
Yeah.
it's...
And no one around.
Yep.
So we're the only mugs up here, mate.
Pretty much, yeah. All good. Okay, now looking for a speed of 60 knots. Once we've cleared the obstacles, we're going to lower the nose, normal climb, and then we'll clean her up, flaps all the way up.
Okay.
Okay, all right. So full power. All right.
On the brakes.
RPM's good. That's good. All right, release, and as much right rudder as we need. Okay. Okay. 50 knots. And up we go. The best ankle. So about there.
Yep.
Alright, keeping that right rudder. Okay, once we're clear of the obstacles, about now, we're going to lower the nose back to normal climb.
Yep.
And clean the aircraft up. Okay.
Okay.
Happy with that? So that's the short field. Okay. Now, the only time there is one or a time where we don't keep our feet on the brakes when we apply full power, and that's if we're taking off on a gravel surface. Obviously, with the stones.
You don't want them spinning up into the...
Yeah. So if it's a gravel surface, it's still full power, but with the aircraft slowly, smoothly applying the full power, but not with feet on the brakes.
Yep.
Okay. All right. When you're ready, mate, you can do the base call.
Back smash traffic, Echo Sierra Oscar, Cessna 172, turning base for runway 27, touch and go, back a smash.
All right, now just to sort of exaggerate, I'm going to turn base a little bit earlier, and we're going to set the aircraft up as if we're doing a normal approach, okay?
Okay.
Up until this point, we're assuming the flaps are working.
Yep.
All right. Okay, so now Vlogs has rolled out into base. He's moved the lever down and notice
nothing.
There's no ballooning. Okay, there's no nose pitching up. He's looked outside. Okay, so he's now fiddling with the
trying to get it going.
Lever. Okay, what else? All right. Yep, he's checked the flap circuit breaker.
Yep. Still down.
There's no issue there. Okay, and now he's realised, okay, flaps are not working. Okay, oh, yep, so he's still got the runway in sight. so he's going to continue his approach. So I've left the power just a little bit. Yep, up. Okay, you can see how we're obviously looking fairly high here. Yep, alright, so now he realises it, so let's say he closes the throttle. Yep, okay, so that's completely now idle, and he's still high. Yep. Alright, so now he's going to lower the nose. Okay,
Jesus.
now I just might...
Now you're going to 80.
Now see we're now coming back on profile, but have a look at our speed.
90. Yep.
And he thinks, okay, yeah, that's looking fine. I'm getting now back on profile.
Yep. 100.
Beautiful.
Right.
So see how we're going to end up rounding out pretty much over the threshold.
Yep.
Well, look at the speed.
Yep, we're screwed.
Okay. Alright, so he's getting his round out point. Yep. Okay, thinks okay, it's all good. Alright, so now he starts his round out.
Now you're just going to balloon all the way across.
Yeah, notice it's just sort of floating. Now left a little bit of power on just to exaggerate, but notice it's sort of floating into the runways, approaching.
Yeah, not going to make it.
Alright, so what should blogs do?
So, yep.
Yeah, let's give
full
it
power.
away. Yeah, that's it.
Give it away.
Okay.
Carpet in.
Yeah.
Flaps are up. Okay, cool. Well, flaps don't work.
Yeah. Now, obviously, look, I reckon we could have laid. I kept the power up just to exaggerate it.
The 20 knot headwind would have helped you out.
Look, it'll make a big difference. Yeah. Now, for today where there's light winds, it'll make that situation worse. Okay.
So, my thinking is there. So, is this an emergency situation, right? You got your flaps don't work.
Think about it. I mean, if the flap's not working, is that affecting your ability to fly the aeroplane?
No.
No, that's it.
It's
not a problem.
It's not helping it, but it's not...
Oh, yeah, true. But, you know, bearing in mind, as we discussed, in terms of the higher stalling speed, the aircraft's got less drag, approach path issues, that's fine. At the end of the day, we just need to modify the circuit, approach and landing, okay? All right, so now Blogs is aware that the flap's not working. All right. We know we've got a fair bit of wind, so that's going to help with the approach path. All right, so now I'll demonstrate a flapless approach, okay?
Yep, so you would just... I would probably take it... it would be a longer final?
Yeah, again, it depends on the wind. So we've got a decent wind, so that's definitely going to help with the approach path. So here, we're still going to be planning to turn base where we normally do, but the only difference, once we're on base, I'm going to set a power setting around 1200. And then a little bit of trial and error, okay? And then look, if we're high, we can still reduce the power. 2 fingers, all right?
Come on, flaps, why don't you work?
All right, so how's our height looking?
Height's high.
All right, so what are we going to do?
Lower the nose, pull the power back.
That's it, good. Still got the throttle we can adjust. Right. Yep, that's looking now pretty good. Speed's good. Yep. Got it all trimmed. Yep. Okay. Now, if it does start now to get back on profile, we can then bring the throttle up as required to hold that profile. Right, again, around sort of 1500 should do the trick. Yep. So if we now bring it up to 1500. Good, that's it. All right, speed's good. Right. The rest of the landing is no different. Yep.
Bloody hell.
That's it.
That headwind.
Yeah, it's a bit of wind, that's fine. Good speed's looking good. Good. Move positive with the control inputs. Normal round out height, closing the throttle. Good. Changing that picture gradually to the end of the runway. Yep.
Bastard.
Yeah, you got it down a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, nice and smooth. All right, let's go.
Runway 26.
Echo, right leg downwind, runway 26, Echo Sierra Oscar.
And visual approach.
Whiskey Victor, Quebec, control services terminated.
Right, so you understand what he told us there? He said you don't need to track to Mini Valley.
Yep, we can just take the...
Yeah, we can sort of cut in a bit. Yep. Okay.
Essendon Tower, Hotel Kilo is at the intersection pad, ready.
Papa Hotel Kilo, thanks. Maintain a westerly track until advised. Intersection helipad, cleared for takeoff.
Maintain a westerly track until advised from the intersection pad, clear to take off. Papa Hotel Kilo.
He's going to try and put him in front of us.
Is he?
Beautiful. Where is he? have to do a base call here, do we?
Nope.
Right.
Hotel Kilo, traffic to Cessna 172, just out to your left on early downwind runway 26.
Traffic sighted, Papa Hotel Kilo.
Hotel Kilo, thanks. When will you make a left turn?
Alright, we probably sort of maybe come around a little bit to your right, get yourself a little bit more parallel to the runway. Alright, I can see the two thick blocks.
Yep. Yep, we're aiming for that.
Yep, so I want you to touch down in between those blocks, okay?
Yep. Ah, shit. Arse is numb. I've left my wallet there.
Roger. Must be a fucking thick wallet. It's full of money, Joe.
No, mate, no. And my missus will listen to this, and she's going, when I get home, I had to take 4 kids to swimming today, so... All right. Let's do checks. All right.
All right, good.
Fuel both, mixture rich. Carb heat in, switches in. Temperatures and pressures are in the green. Mags, master, lock, and mixed and locked, and doors and harnesses locked and matched. All right.
Yep, I'm all good.
Echo Victor Romeo, request airway clearance.
Echo Victor Romeo, cleared direct to Point Cook at 1,500.
Where is
1,500, Echo Victor Romeo.
Echo Victor Romeo, confirm direct to Point Cook.
All right.
Victor Romeo cleared.
All right.
Direct to
All
Point
yours.
Cook, 1,500, Echo Victor Romeo.
Victor Romeo, thanks.
Okay, don't forget, good, 20 degrees up, alright. Oh, so obviously with your round out point, it's going to be a few metres before the thick blocks.
Yep.
Okay. Alright, how's that profile look?
feels okay?
I reckon we're a little bit high.
Yeah, a little bit high. Can we give it another?
Yeah, okay.
Yep.
I notice also you're starting to cut the corner a little bit.
Yep. Do it slowly.
All good?
Was a bit early.
Right, how's that profile looking?
It's okay, no?
I reckon still maybe a little bit high. Looks like if you sort of extend your approach path, looks like we're going to touch down beyond the thick blocks. I reckon, yeah, let's close that throttle a little bit. All right. All right, so now speed.
Yep.
Good. I think it's given our landing clearance yet.
Hi.
All good?
Echo Sierra Oscar, clear land.
Echo Sierra Oscar, clear to land.
All good. All right, so 60 knots. All right, so you're going to pick a round out point just before the two thick blocks, okay?
Yep.
Echo Sierra Oscar requests to roll through after landing.
Echo Sierra Oscar, approved.
Echo Sierra Oscar, thanks. Good. So
President
drag it in, just a little bit of our speed's good.
Approaching Apple Park Lake 1500. Received information Delta inbound.
Tango Juliet Uniform Essendon Tower, cleared Balti Bridge, direct Essendon 1,500.
Clear Balti Bridge, Essendon 1500. Tango to the
Not too bad,
uniform.
probably land a little bit short, but that's fine. All right, we're going to roll through all the way to the end,
Yep.
right? Beautiful.
Oh, we'll do those over here.
Good. All right. All right, carb heat off.
Tango Juliet Uniform, clear visual approach, left base 26.
All right. Visual approach.